What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Fortune Wraps. We've got another really cool car in here. Let's check it out. So we've got a 2023 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. This is pretty much the car that replaced the CTSV, but this one is a little bit different than most of them. Oh, it's locked. Dang, this thing has a cool key. All right, like I was saying, this one's a little different. It's a collector series. So this is the 120th anniversary CT5V Blackwing. They only made 120 of these. So this one is in for full PPF. Gonna get it cleaned up and get this thing protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus PPF.
We're pretty excited and honored to be tasked with this project. This is our specialty, protecting your prized possession. Sometimes they're a tad dirty when they come in, but AP's gonna fix that. While he's extensively cleaning the vehicle, Brett is getting the film cut out so it's ready to go for him in the morning. We're using XPEL Ultimate Plus PPF, as well as their template software, which has all of the panels for this car. Pre-cutting the pieces means we drastically reduce the risk of damaging your brand new vehicle. No, we aren't sponsored by XPEL. They just have a great product that we can stand behind. I kind of wish the client went with the Stealth PPF, but this glossy film will keep the car looking brand new for 10 plus years. Our preferred method is to remove all of the emblems that are stuck on the surface. This eliminates the cutout that would normally be there, and it hides the film even more. Once you see the end result, it's a small price to pay. The best way to describe PPF is to compare it to the screen protector on your phone. After you drop it, you're relieved to find an undamaged screen underneath. PPF is the same way, just more rubbery, and you're protecting something a little more expensive than a phone. This is quite literally the best protection for your vehicle. These kits cover every square inch of the surface and even wrap around all possible edges for the most invisible installation. AP put film on every piece of this car, from the painted panels to the carbon fiber trims, even the headlights and fog lights. PPF is installed using soap and water to keep the film floating off the surface while we line up the edges. Then squeegee the water out. It takes a lot of patience to make sure these kits fit properly. These projects take days for us to complete. This Cadillac CT5V Blackwing 120th anniversary is now fully protected with XPEL PPF. This also received a 2-year Ceramic Pro coating, which we include on all of our full wraps. Look at that shine. This car looks better than new. Every time the client washes it, this is what it's going to look like. No added products necessary. We also ceramic coated the glass and tinted the reflectors on this one. Our clients deserve the best work possible, and we strive to deliver that every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.